Dishing with Diane. And you already know us, but we're going to go across the table and say our names. Starting this way.
Dion.
Start the other way.
Dion.
Okay, Ashley. Hey. This is Jeremy. It's his birthday today, y'all. So we're doing a seafood boil. We got snow crabs, we got shrimp, we got eggs, sausage, potatoes, mussels, crawfish. Those were live, as y'all know. And we got lemon, and then we have the spicy beloved sauce, and it's spicy, y'all. Okay, so we're fixing to dive on in. Sorry, y'all, I gotta get my oh, right here. Hold on. Sorry, y'all, I'm opening from my bib. Okay, someone is in a hurry for some shrimp. My kids love seafood. Here, give them that.
Can I just handle one? Or?
No, Oh, never mind.
Taste it and see.
No, it's too spicy for her.
This wasn't cooked in the same stuff.
What?
The garlic one.
Anthony.
I told you.
You got a lot of them in there.
That's what I want to handle. It's not dead. I'll cut that up. Edit that out.
Nope.
Alright, anyways, what movie should we talk about?
What series?
Have you watched The Quiet Place 2?
No.
Okay, on to the next series.
I don't want to talk about it anymore.
No. No, you have to watch it.
Okay.
Huh? Well, we haven't finished Low Key.
I just started. We haven't. We watched part 2.
Nick.
Episode 1.
Okay. Well, Low Key. I don't know if y'all watched this on Disney Plus, right? It's a good movie. A series, not a movie. It's after Loki disappears with the. What was it? What's that Infinity Stone?
Well, I mean, it is an Infinity Stone.
But what was the name he called it?
The key.
I might turn down low.
The Tesseract.
The Tesseract.
Tesseract.
So you gonna still hide?
Pretty much.
Oh.
Ow. 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 So how y'all like the beloved sauce? Oh, he moved it all the way over there. Okay, I'll share it with him.
Cool. That's what you want to do.
Nah, it's just whichever way. I didn't know you was. If I knew you was gonna take that one, I would just, put the small one over there.
No, this is my name.
Okay. True. But honestly, if it was your day, would you still give me that? Okay, I didn't think so.
Here's my day. You know, the 20th.
I don't care about you, boy. You're the 20th on the line. Okay? Happy Father Day for the fathers out there. Fun fact. If we go in order of which is the best holiday, it's Christmas, right? Is that what we learned? And then it's Mother's Day at number 2, y'all. Halloween, they said it was number 6, right?
No.
Halloween was number 6.
Oh.
But Father Day landed number 20. meatloaf sausage is good. Oh. Oh, is that,
Because I don't want to eat mine right now.
Oh, wait. Beep, beep. Hold the hell up. No, you good. But this right here, we all got one. Yours is a little bit more overfilled because it's your day. Huh? Well, Mom told me you didn't like crawfish. You didn't want that meat.
Give me the one on top.
This one?
Yeah, give me that.
Oh,
No, that's
you gotta
no.
ask him for that.
That's
He
you.
wants
You
your
got a lot.
crabs. He wants your crabs.
No, I thought I just wanted to share with y'all because I want to eat mine at home.
Okay, back to our show. Back to our regular folks. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool with me. Cause he ain't even in the video.
Last one.
For real. Yeah. My whole ice, he dumped it in the tub so you can play it. We're sitting here trying to tend to our son and grab fingers over here stealing from my food. What are you looking for?
Thought it was my dad's. This is really good.
So how you like to be loved, so? Y'all excuse him. He's silly.
It's spicy, it's good. We're gonna go here, partner. Look at friends. I don't care if your day you ain't don't keep stealing my stuff. Okay. Aren't you just putting it on the side and come sit down? You need more? So Jeremy, real quick, you're not sharing this?
Leche cake.
Well, for me, I don't want none.
Me either.
But your brother do.
Who's that?
Anthony, the one that boiled over there in Dion want a slice.
So you can get a slice from crabs and Anthony can get some. Give me the whole bowl. It's my day.
You have a whole.
My bowl.
That strawberry cake.
So you may give him
A cluster.
a cluster
It's my day.
your day. Are you gonna eat on your day right now? Without stealing nobody else's?
What's those eggs done?
I'll have one of these.
Huh?
Is it
Oh,
olive?
this is sad. He don't want to eat. He don't want to eat his food. He want to eat everybody else's food. Dion here get a slice. Give him a cluster of his snow crab. And get a slice of cake. He feel it's his day, so everybody got to share.
No, he ain't got to share.
So he don't have to. He's waiting to steal something, y'all.
I don't know.
He done took the whole thing of Be Love sauce and left them with.
On your birthday, you supposed to share.
share.
That's it. That's all he left it for. I mean, on your birthday, you're supposed to share the cake at least.
Never heard that part.
You never shared it on your other.
You didn't have a choice.
Yeah, just like I kind of don't have a choice of being being this. I wish I was at home, but kind of forced to do this.
You been forced to do this? It's your birthday. Memories.
Yeah. It's great.
He's still eyeing your.
I know.
Just watching. Relax.
I can't relax around you.
Just watching. You guys are cracking and digging in there.
Get to live another year? We're all ashamed of you.
Oh, so we're sharing? I share very well, but I that means I will share your back.
Stupid dog. Where's my cake?
That's my cake.
That's the thing. He's not sharing that.
You give me the bowl, you can get cake.
You suck it.
You can suck it too, dog. I'm gonna suck the crap out of these strawberries off of here too.
I bet you do. I bet you suck a lot of things.
Yes, you loaded.
Oh,
Do that.
okay.
You get my crab leg.
Oh,
Here
you
you go.
better get out my.
That's fair.
Oh, hey, man, my brother, what this? But you're gonna get a thin piece.
I'm cutting.
No strawberry.
Can you open this thing?
No, absolutely not. That wasn't part of the agreement. That means that if you ain't out doing it, you need to give me
Hey man, look man. I hope you enjoyed the birthday, man. Happy mistake day. That's what I call it.
Oh, yeah.
Happy mistake.
Y'all scared the kitchen.
You had your happy found day, so I guess you good. That's it. That's it.
You gonna
say
sing?
a strawberry.
Are
I
you?
get.
I don't care what
You-
you.
you-
Actually, you right, man. Matter of fact, you right. I need to keep this symmetrical. Not cool with you, brother?
That's a little too big. I think you need to give me a couple more shrimp. Oh yeah, you definitely give me a shrimp out. Yeah, you got a mean cut wrist. You know what I'm saying? That's a strong cut wrist right there. I'm gonna go ahead and give me an elbow deep wrist. You waste a little bit. I'm gonna have to get the car because I know it's heavy. Hey, you finna take that shit in my car too. Now you got me fucked up. Now my birthday going south.
All right, y'all. This is what the cake looks like, and that's what it look like. She's the crying
Get
right
wet.
now. So that's what
Better
it
watch
looks
your
like.
cake. No, you can. That's the. Where you let him be? He going through his day. He burned his eyes again this time. He ain't getting nothing.
What?
Yo, say he slapping himself and everything.
So Jeremy,
Yes.
how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, you collected a
He
lot
done-
of clusters from
he done-
everybody
He done.
for a damn old cake.
He done.
Oh, I feel a lot of pressure going on here. A lot of tension.
The cake was for everybody.
It's my day. My day. Who did you buy it for?
Everybody. To sing happy birthday to you. And then everybody get a slice. A decent slice. You know?
So she ain't listening to what you're saying? 'Cause it's full of BS. But you bought it intentionally. You better get away from it. My day. Okay, well he fucking up now.
Look, I will take all my clusters back.
Get your son.
Seafood boy yourself. Push play. Can I have some cake? Cake is meant to be shared with everybody. Even though it's your day, it's meant to be shared with everybody. I don't care. Give me a piece of that cake.
He digging me out.
Don't change the subject. Give me a piece of cake. Damn, give me the knife. Alright, come here, please. Come here, please.
You know what you gotta do.
I already gave you I gave you this cluster and this cluster.
Which one?
Both of them.
These two.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm 31, so you can go ahead and give me that.
No, nigga, you got me fucked up.
Oh, what? On my birthday. No cussing on my birthday. Please.
Look, Johnny, if I don't get a slice of that cake, I'm taking my clusters back. Because this all right here would have not happened.
Go ahead. Get this on camera. Say it again. Say it again. No, say what you just said.
I love you. Happy birthday. Share your cake.
Get this on camera. Say
What?
what you just
It's
said.
hot.
None of this would have happened. What? Say so. Indian giver says what?
Happy birthday. Love you.
Oh, that's
I
crazy.
just don't
I thought
even
that was something
You know what?
else.
Forget it. I don't. Just forget it. I don't want the cake. I know. Babe, is it okay? Can you share your piece with a little bit with like no? Okay,
He's
you
sweating right now. He ain't worried
like a
about
mug.
you. He going in there. He going elbow deep.
I have not even
sweating from the hat. Well, it's misty. Yeah, he need that cake for clearance for the flush. Right?
Oh God, doggone peace! You're taking all the beloved sauce. You're taking all the clusters oil, and then you don't want to touch your food. You want to eat out of mine. You got to go.
You share your cake. You made me share my cake.
Bruh, that cake wasn't only for you. If Mom would have been more specific and been like, well, you know Jeremy's gonna plunk you out of the cake and not give you none. He might just eat all the clusters of the snow crabs. You might want to get 2. I would have got 2. One for you to go, and one not for you. None of that cake. You had your own.
That's fake.
Nah, that's real life. That's how we have to do it with you. Because I bought one. How the hell you complain about the missing pieces?
I thought it was.
It's not even a half a cake.
I thought it was my
That's what I said. I was gonna get 2. I would have got 2. You would have had your own. Nobody would have touched it. We would have touched this cake.
Well, in some tradition, they would have put my face in the cakes.
You know what? You want me to put your face? Oh, trust me, I can put your face in the cake. You want me to put your face in the cake? Okay. Don't you touch the shit? You touch the shit. You touch. Yeah, you getting this cake in the face. This cake in the face. Ooh. Just you want the cake? Let's turn the air on. Leave the air on. We talk louder if we had to. Okay, talk over that thing.
Dion said he ain't talking, he eating. He been tearing that up.
I'm trying to tear it up, but I don't need your help. So these are the jumbo shrimp that I got today. It's one of yours too. Is at the bottom. You gotta dig. Cause I had to dig to give you my doggone clusters. Dig. Dig your hand in your liquid juice of heaviness and you'll find them. But this is how big they came out, y'all. Dip it in the beloved sauce, right? Get a little bit of onion and garlic. What are you doing? Go ahead.
Mama!
I feel like you're trying to burn me with you like that. You're not making it peaceful. You squish me. That's it. I'm good. I gotta save my clusters. I gotta really enjoy those because that's the only one I had. This one's a little bit bigger. Did you put the other shrimp in here?
I put all of them in there.
I mean, you would do it. You eat your food. Because it's the same thing that's in here. But now it's like more of an overflow.
So you're not gonna eat with us?
Yeah, let's just leave them out, you know?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, let's just do that.
You already made me, you know what I'm saying? Made me get stuff I didn't want to get.
It's a birthday cake. It's supposed to be shared. I'm kidding. It's supposed to be shared. You know, you have more of our clusters together. You know, that's a pack of clusters, so that's like $24. You know, that cake was only $23. So I really gave you enough clusters to get all the cake, you know? You know? You know? Yeah. 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 No, you're good. My guy, you're good, my guy. You're good, my guy. You're good, my guy. You're good, my guy. You're good. You're good. Hefty. Good. Oh, all of it. Plus extra. You're good, my guy. You know what? It's gonna be your last day. It's gonna be. I'ma send you to the Heavenly Father because you haven't got no trouble. But that's where I'ma send you.
That's crazy.
Your last day. Today's your day, but it's gonna be your last day. Your last day. And you can have all the cake. I'll bury you with the cake.
I must have got the text message. I don't know. Maybe I'm.
It said happy birthday, big bro. 31. And I celebrate your birthday. You didn't give us a chance to be like, happy birthday to you. You didn't give us nothing. You was ready to go. You got the food and was ready to dip. You know that's not how we do. We spend birthdays.
You don't like being in videos.
He's working my blood pressure up. Nah, I can't eat it because I'm too busy bargaining for some cake. So this is what I ate, y'all. This is all I have ate. So I've been bargaining with you. I haven't ate. Okay. You're working my blood pressure. No, I think it's you. I think it's you. Oh, see, it's not even salty. But you being a little bit salty because you don't want to share. Okay?
That cake pretty good.
It is. I would never know. I gave him clusters for it. He didn't want to share.
It was actually my choice.
Yeah. Can I get some?
Can I get some? No. Look, okay, here.
Take it to the bathroom.
You want another piece?
Yeah, here you go.
No, you don't.
Something go up under
No,
it.
you gonna get this one. Oh, you being a picky motherfucker.
You allow your bean on it?
Oh, icing.
I just don't like cake.
It's like after it progresses, the heat just keeps going.
Oh, I know.
Do you? What did you taste to feel the heat?
I feel attached.
I feel like we're on a talk show instead of a seafood boil. Like, what did...
For some reason, I don't do anything to you.
Except, oh, he didn't do nothing to me. He didn't do nothing to me. Except stick his hand still some crawfish and some sausage. It's like here, but this thing one more time. I'm gonna send him to the Heavenly Father's up above.
Yeah. Go.
So happy you don't like potatoes.
This is why I don't come out of my house. I like
Mama,
to
did
stay
you
home
have
because
mail?
I'm always getting attacked from people. They want to kill me. And feel like it'll be safer for me to stay in my shell at home. Because people don't deserve me. They lie to you and...
Cameron, let me tell you something, y'all. Let me tell you something. I spent over $300 today, so it's not that I don't. It's not that I'm attacking you. It's okay.
Ones that love you don't throw prices in your face. I've never done that to anybody.
Back this way. Yes, I remember. I said, Jeremy, can I have this 400? And then this fool wanted a bargain that he paid the whole 600. But you remember that when I went to Shark Tab?
That is good negotiation skills. You always want to get one up on the suckers. I'm not the sucker. I got $60, $90.
And let's point the camera to the sucker. Keep going. Right here.
Wow, really?
Because you're the one who promised him that. And then he comes to me saying that, well, your husband spoke for you. He bargained for the whole family. Is your last name Stone?
If I may, since it's back on my day, marriages are about unity. And I think if one makes decisions, they both make decisions. They are both
Yeah, about some years ago.
made that. It doesn't bother me. My pockets were fat at that time. This is results in making great decisions.
What decisions? You didn't make no decisions right there. I'm done. No decisions.
Pay attention to details. She's finna throw it in my face again. Go ahead. What did you do?
You know what? Can you see if the eggs are done being boiled? Okay, I'm gonna give me an egg. I enjoyed your company. I really did. But I done lost a lot of calories without even. Can you is a spoon right there? What the custard hurt? I don't get it. Only child, no, she got 2 brothers, older brothers. She ain't the only child.
Oh, great mom.
Okay, where?
Remember, we should be.
I'm whiter than you.
You got an audience. I think, the lady is sitting there.
Oh, that's everything for you.
No, it's not.
So we do. Okay. Let's see. Potato.
You need potato?
I still got my potatoes.
A lot.
Feel me?
So how do the food taste, y'all?
That was amazing.
The little
What
bit you
I
got.
taste of it.
Yeah, he just took all y'all food. But Dion's doing pretty good because he still got a lot of clusters.
Yeah, because he haven't been tampered with. He has not been tampered with. I almost thought he had a heart, was about to give me my cluster back. Because I still haven't got no doggone cake.
And I get a comedian on my birthday instead of a corner. Maybe both. Feel me?
Sick.
It's okay.
Okay.
Maybe we should have a food contest. Let's see who's the fastest.
Yeah, Jeremy, why don't you do it? You want to get in here? So apparently she ain't your favorite since you doing all that. How's the crab legs?
Delicious.
Dion,
I would ask you, but you haven't even touched
Dion,
the
you want
damn
to show what
food.
because brother done took it all.
Not even sure who.
No, it's good. You good?
Oh, she can have this one.
Yeah, that's what
I don't touch that one.
Yours is mine, is mine, yours.
Well, I'm not married to you, so why are you taking my stuff?
It's mine, I'm not sure if you said.
That was in here.
Can you take a shot? Can you take a shot? Can you zoom in where it's at right now? It's here. It's here.
Cause you put it over there. I am.
I'm grateful to What are you doing?
We're showing them the cluster of crabs you decide to steal and bargain.
I feel like I'm being made into a
He's
villain.
taking this home.
Why are you doing this? You don't love me.
I love you very much.
You're making me out to be the villain.
You're not.
You are.
You just took everybody.
Why are you lying? He's the villain.
I just say
He is. He's becoming the villain.
It was given.
It was not. It was okay. You know what? I'm just gonna let you have it. I don't even care no more.
See, look. Look, should I get my cake back? I'm the same way. I'm so tired of saying the same thing over and over. It's my day. They don't understand us. Could you put my cake back, please? Hopefully they don't buy you a cake. Try to give everybody else what you want.
Jeremy?
Easy.
No.
Might want to roast your dad. Oh, don't be sharp with this thing, man. Your daddy might not leave your stuff away.
So how do it taste with the eggs? Meatloaf sauce.
Good, it's spicy.
It's spicy.
Well, my top lip is burning.
Yeah, stop feeling my top lip.
And you kept going?
Shoot through the pain.
That's right.
Chew chew.
That's right.
What pain? Because you haven't ate nothing.
I'm just going with what the lovely viewers that watch. They're going to be licking their, that's going to be watching y'all eat and licking their lips like, you know what I mean? So I'm doing the same thing.
See, the viewers do it because they can't taste it.
I know I can't taste
You
it.
got the whole damn thing right there. Okay, back to the fucking feeling.
Stay in the frame.
It's really good, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not cute. Go.
He's adorable. He's
Stay
adorable.
out of this way. I'm going to try to take your shot.
Yep.
Well, y'all,
Yep, I'm getting pretty
it's
full.
his birthday, but he stacked up on his stuff to go home. So he was watching them eat right now. What they got left.
That's right. That's right.
Mine is still kind of full.
Listen.
Yeah, doing pretty good too.
Yeah, you don't want to eat.
You're right, you're the only one collecting.
It's not about me. Stay in the frame. Act like I'm a
Excuse the dirty kitchen in the background, y'all, but you know, that's how it is. We were rushing.
Alright, y'all. So, it was good, it was delicious. This is where we're going to end the video. That's Jeremy. This is Ashley and Dion went to go clean the pot so we can go home. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed. Tune in for the next day.
You're nasty.